Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh. It is really beyond the capability of words to describe what Allah is provided us with Islam. Such a blessing is described in the Holy Quran in the following verses. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. Wa ma adraka ma laylatul qadr. Laylatul qadri khairun min alfi shahr. Tanazzalul malaikatu war ruhu fiha bi'izni rabbihim min kulli amr. Salamun hiya hatta matla'il fajr. Almighty Allah has reserved for us Muslim a night that is better, greater and more rewarding than 1,000 months combined. That's a period counting more than 83 years. It's a night when Jibril alayhi salam along with the other thousands of angels come down to the earth every year. After the completion of his duty of conveying revelation to the Prophet, with the demise of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, may Allah include every one of us among those who utilize the night in a manner it deserves. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.